Have you ever felt lost when choosing what to eat for breakfast as someone living with diabetes? Let me tell you something that can completely change the way you start your day. I'm Edu Rodriguez, and today I'm going to show you real, practical, and easy breakfast ideas that help control blood sugar levels. If you've ever wondered, what can I eat in the morning without spiking my blood glucose? This video is for you. Stick with me until the end because I'll not only give you 10 powerful options, but I'll also explain how to mix them to suit your routine and preferences. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, share, and especially comment down below which of these breakfasts you usually eat or which one you're curious to try. Let's get into it. Let's start with a classic and powerful option, scrambled eggs. Eggs are rich in protein and healthy fats and have very little carbohydrate. They don't cause spikes in blood sugar and keep you full longer. You can use 2 or 3 eggs depending on your hunger or nutrition plan. If you're looking to lose weight, cook with just a touch of olive oil. But if you need more calories, go ahead and add a full spoon of olive oil while cooking. And if you're like me and love variety, I suggest a crunchy egg recipe I often make by adding seeds like flax or sunflower. It adds texture, flavor, and fiber. Now let's talk about green juices. Yes, they can be excellent for breakfast, but only if made the right way. Forget sugary fruits or strained juices. Keep the fiber in because it helps slow down sugar absorption. One great option is kale, avocado, and lemon. Kale brings the fiber, avocado adds healthy fats and satiety, and lemon adds flavor without sugar. And if you're curious to learn more about diabetic-friendly juices, let me know in the comments. I can make a full video just on that. Another amazing option is a protein pancake. I usually mix 1 egg with protein powder and cook it like a thin pancake. You can fill it with natural peanut butter or even a homemade chocolate paste using cocoa powder and a sugar-free sweetener. This combo is delicious and keeps you full without affecting your glucose. If you want to add fruit, go for berries or half a green apple, something low in sugar. Speaking of easy and nutritious, I can't skip shakes. If you don't have time to cook in the morning, a well-prepared shake can save your day. I often use flaxseed milk as the base, then add avocado, chia seeds, or even strawberries. These ingredients support intestinal health, cholesterol control, and blood sugar stability. Some people feel full just with the shake. Others may need something more solid along with it, so you can combine your shake with scrambled eggs or a slice of low-carb bread. Just listen to your hunger. Now about bread. I know it's hard to let it go completely, but there's good news. You can make your own low-carb bread using coconut flour, flaxseed, or seed flours like pumpkin or sunflower. These recipes can contain almost 0 net carbs per slice. Compare that to a regular white bread roll, which can have over 25 grams of fast-absorbing carbs. Making your own bread may take some effort, but trust me, the results in your blood sugar levels are worth it. I also love talking about low carb cakes. Yes, you can have cake for breakfast, and it doesn't have to be full of sugar. With a few ingredients and a microwave or air fryer, you can prepare a personal cake in just 3 minutes. The key is knowing what ingredients keep your blood sugar in check. Almond flour, eggs, a natural sweetener, and done. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to share my favorite cake recipe. Another option I really enjoy is overnight chia or flax pudding. You soak the seeds overnight in a plant-based milk or natural yogurt, add a few fruits, and let it sit. The next morning, it's ready to eat. It feels like dessert, but it's full of fiber and healthy fats that support glucose balance. You can switch fruits daily, strawberries today, blueberries tomorrow, or even a small portion of mango once in a while if your sugar is well controlled. Now let's talk about granola. Traditional granola may look healthy, but it's often loaded with oats, raisins, sugar, or honey. For someone with diabetes, that's not a great combo. Instead, try a low-carb version. I make mine with pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, coconut, and a touch of cinnamon. You can add this granola over your yogurt or fruits. But remember, even good granola is calorie dense, so 1 spoon is enough. Another breakfast idea that surprises people is natural gelatin, not the colorful artificial ones from the supermarket. I'm talking about homemade gelatin using unflavored gelatin and real fruit like passion fruit. It's fresh, contains natural fiber from the fruit, and you can sweeten it with a natural sweetener like stevia if you want. Pair this with a small slice of low-carb cake and a black coffee, and you have a great morning start. Now let's say you don't have any of this at home. Maybe you're traveling or staying with someone and only have access to regular bread or tapioca. What do? The idea here is to upgrade what you have. With white bread, you can remove the soft inner part, eat only half, and add protein and fiber to slow down the sugar spike. Add an egg, some lettuce, tomato, or pair the sandwich with a green juice to balance things out. Same goes for tapioca. Use just a spoon of tapioca flour, then add chia seeds and an egg to make a crepe-like mix. That's what I call smart eating. This flexibility matters because we're not always in control of what's available. But when you know the principles, like combining fiber and protein to slow digestion, you make better choices anywhere. And if you want a full video just with hotel or travel breakfast ideas, tell me in the comments. I love reading what you write and always bring your suggestions into my next videos. Before I go, remember this: a good breakfast doesn't need to be boring or repetitive. You don't need to eat eggs every single day. Use creativity and understand the goal: stable blood sugar and lasting energy. Let me know below which of these breakfast ideas you already eat or which one you're excited to try next. And don't forget to subscribe to EDU Diabetes in English for more real-life practical tips to help you live well with diabetes. See you next time. Take care of yourself.